Abum, what is going on? Why are you not in your uniform? Why are you not manning the gate? What is going on?
Your Highness, may you live long. Actually, we are Abum's businessmen. We are here for a very special occasion. I actually thought Abum told you of our honor. Makachi.
I am not aware of this. And judging by what I see here, I am curious to know what the special occasion is.
Abum.
My father is waiting for your response.
Long live you, only my uncle, mother, as a mother. This was one of my business too. Amanda, yes. You know me, Abum Umenwa, aka Onyo the Naka. See here, you will find flour for your farm. So my family, Namon, I decided to say, let us come and plant this flower here.
What flower are you talking about?
In fact, come with this. Maka, it's our boom. Achakom is one now. I will go back and you go. Look at just talk about the I say, Umenwa, aka Onyo the Naka. Why I say I am come to asking for Princess Amarachi hand in marriage.
Abomination. Abomination. How can the security man, the gate man of this palace, wants to take the princess of this kingdom as his wife? What is wrong with you? You know it's not possible.
But how? No, why not be possible now? I don't understand you. You talk to me man to man. I say, okay. Tell me why.
Abum, you don't speak to the king like that. Are you out of your mind?
No, I know, and I like. I'm not lying now.
Are you mad?
What
is wrong with you?
Listen, Tony. Don't you want money a maid? One money maid your neck. Don't you want your money? Now I don't understand. Don't do this now.
But this is totally different from what you are asking.
How? You know something? I don't go. Yeah, if you move, to God who made me. If you move, Mama will be now. Give man or home. Any movement here, but Jim Mato, everybody stand one place. Please, I want you to tell them now.
This is the man.
This is the man that kidnapped my woman. Arrest him now. Oh my God, now, but Jeremy, you put this place now. Arrest this man. No.
Kidnap? What kidnap? Who kidnapped who here?
I don't understand. Are you trying to pretend or what? You don't pretend, Abby? Okay, make you go inside, go bring out my girl also. Come on, go and bring the girl where my girl will kidnap, go keep inside there.
You realize that this is a royal palace? Why do you want to bring nuisance to my doorstep?
Igwe, with all due respect, sir, I don't want to make I show my bad character here. It's good as I just come here and I respect myself. Now they do all these things quietly now with the government now. Go and tell your son now to bring out my girl. Or if I lose am here now, I'm not gonna like it.
Friend, will you shut that your dirty mouth? Are you mad? Who's your woman? I go see. Look, officers, as you can see, this man here is not in the right state of his mind. I mean, who stormed into the king's palace with armed police? That's madness now. It's
Magazi, enough! No one is above the law. The law does not favor anybody. We don't work against anybody. We are for justice. Igwe, this man here reported a case in our station against your son, the prince, that he kidnapped his woman. And for that, he had to follow us down to our station for further questioning.
Immediately move this man now. Immediately move him now.
Now. So he may be a money. Follow them.
Let's go. So now.
Slap you. Are you mad?
What questioning are you talking about? We can do the questioning here. Just tell the fool that brought you here. Just ask him. Whose babe was kidnapped?
Simple.
And what is the girl's connection with my son? Who is that girl?
Wait, Igwe. Who are you giving that interrogation? Who get that interrogation? And I mean, carry police come.
Shut up your mouth. If you do not answer the question, how are you supposed to identify the person you're talking about? You have to be careful with me, man.
Okay, make I educate you. Pretender. Since you dey pretend now, say you don't know who we dey talk about. Okay, we are talking about Nneka.
Nneka.
My girl. That you stole. That is who we are talking about.
Nneka, my son's fiancé?
Okay, I say son's fiancé. Officer, you don't hear him. You don't hear him, your son's fiancé. Who gave you the girl as fiancé? You want to follow backyard and take what rightfully belongs to me? What thing God give me for hand? Manoko ga bajishu naka. Oji he wata wele akelu. Aka howe ya maka ake kwa yonu. Police wele AK-47 na kujie unu. Kujie ga aka. The woman I'm about to marry is who is calling because they are rich. They want to use their riches and take away what rightfully belongs to me. Manomambe. God forbid.
Mr. Gozie, I don't understand. Your allegation against the prince is baseless and does not have enough substantial evidence to back it up.
Officer, what you just talk now? You see why I don't like most of una police people. You see why I don't like most of una. I go bring you now. This is the major reason why I not going to tell you where they carry you go. Say la for palace. Because I know say if I tell you say na palace we dey go, it's either fear catch you or bribe go enter you. You see I'm not bribe now. Don't enter you now.
Shut up your mouth here, or I'll get you arrested.
Shoot them on Try nonsense now. Okapia.
We know ourselves.
Get this man arrested next week here. Until we can
No, reverse will soon be the case. Just calm down.
Since Gozie is insisting that Nneka belongs to him, God,
My king.
go to her house. Come with her and her mother. Let us resolve it.
Okay.
Fine. Oga. Like I said,
Let me carry you come now. Go. You want come? Let me carry you come.
Take it easy, yeah.
Go. I don't take a easy. I'm calm now. What is this now? I'm better now.
Nah, which kind of thing come with this one? Just small thing what they put for my head. Small thing where they want to do as introduction. Now they don't change mind now. By this side they never come. If they don't want marry me, make a quick talk. Man, now I go back to my ex.
Neka, stop. Relax. He will soon come. Just go inside and finish your preparation.
Mama, I don't get any preparation what they do. Prince, no say who you want marry, no they get himself. I don't prepare finish. If you don't accept me like this, may I leave her. If you don't want marry me, may I talk on time. Man, now I go back my ex.
God forbid. The priest will never bring shame upon me in this family. To not happen.
Mama, you can't shame the shameless or get that thing. If they don't change their mind, make they talk. Make them know the shame put. If rich person don't fit marry poor person,
stop
make they
nah.
talk.
Greetings.
No, this are not be about greetings or anything, no. What thing make una never come by this time? Why they never come pay small thing for my head? Bread price no hard though. Not only for carton of beer, and my mother say we charge.
Yes.
Anyways, the king sent us to get you people to the palace now.
Huh? Who call is where?
Right now.
They say make we come palace.
Yes,
As they change location, they don't tell us. Oh yeah, no more. They go.
Who call is where?
Ìdààmú. Makachi.
Abia.
Hey, if my mind you don't fly, I be say you don't change your mind. You don't say on our way be Igwe, no they hard not to change mind. I can't wait. See when I know they come. See, beauty people, why I go say I go come. I don't know say the Lord is here. No. Igwe, since your mind don't change to bring the marriage for you, I am going to start the marriage now.
What you be saying? You say get butter. You don't pay for get it. You give me one. Okay, butter. Are you paying for?
Enough! This is a very, very serious matter. And we must not try to play with it. Neka, you are going to do something for me. I'm going to ask you a question and I'll demand a straight answer.
You were there, anything I will answer you.
Thank you. Between my son and Gozie, who would you want to spend the rest of your life with?
Igwe, I want a question.
Igwe, excuse me, sir. Excuse me, sir. No. Igwe, with all due respect, I don't like that question. That is not why we are here now. Why are carry police come here? Not be make you warn your son to stay away from my woman. Or you tell her, warn her to stay away from your son. You can even promise her money. Say, see the money I will give to you to go and wallow in your poverty with your man. Which kind of thing be this now? If you begin to tell her this kind of question now, okay, let me say, if I'm in her shoe, let me put myself in her shoe now. I'm not going to go do mistake. You go choose the one where they call up. Which kind of example, which kind of offer they give her like this? Make you go do mistake. Go choose the one where be like us, where they paint. Which kind of rubbish be that one? I beg, I don't want them. Let's go straight to the point. Chase her away from your house, never to come back. Simple. Baby, my love. Who
Who be your baby? The question.
I'll punch you! I'll punch you for real! Don't play with me again, nigga!
Respect your father. I'm respecting him. I'm respecting your father. Try to respect him.
My love, Daddy. Why is that? Why is that?
I mean, I don't tell you, say I did get them by issues. I'm not telling you. I tell you what I do with my master. They play there today. I don't get joy. Avoid me, you hear me? Now your condition now make a fish like bed. And then your condition, I know the fish when they bed. So carry that condition for what? You dey see this, you get size. Don't find your size. Poverty! Poverty! Avoid me! Yeah?
Gaga. Igwe. Ha! Your Majesty. Guest number 2. Kawa. Oh, Magachi, Magachi. Biko. We do that separately. Biko. Honorable Princess Amarati Kanwa here.
Young Yanando.
Magachi. We are no. Okay.
Bundle that man out of this palace.
Abum Chineke. Oh yeah. Your daily bread don't show. See your daily bread.
God, what did they worry this boy? What if I now you give me the name? You be my papa will give me that name. Say even the color with impunity. Abu. You know what?
Wait till I forget you.
What if I've been kicking Abu? Never the color with impunity. Now you give me the name. You be my papa.
So wait till I forget you.
Call me Abum.
Abu.
No be the talk to me they call you Gosia. I forgot Gosia. But the same we respect ourselves, they call you Gosia. So respect yourself, they call me Abum.
My brother, I cannot call you Abum. Aboga nation, Asian Karakun
Karakun. I say my apple.
Aboga.
I say my apple. No be say Abu apple.
Okay, no problem.
Okay, fine. If Abum no agree you pronounce because you are very big illiterate. Continue with Abu Chuku. I will manage them.
Instead of me to call you Abum Chuku, make I Google they call you Abum. Can I suppose you guys Abum?
Abum, boy, guy idiot. You don't want? What if this is how you talk here?
Check him now.
Go, what if you check him?
Oga, check am, no dey let me talk to you.
Make I open and check out.
Open and check.
You carry food, come, boy. Am I a dog? Eh? Come, where you dey for this house? Because I know say sometimes score they enter your brain. As you dey now, I know the shame. They call you Ini Edo. You go just enter kitchen, cook wonderful jollof rice with better chicken. Carry am serve Igwe and other people waiting for this palace. Then evil spirit go enter you. Village people go enter you. Go carry a camo. Go serve me.
My brother.
Hey, my mama camo.
My brother.
Make you not be saying I come there here.
Wait, make I tell you something. See, not be evil spirits they enter me. You see that time where they see me, they always bring full jug of akam for you. No be evil spirit they enter me. Now spirit of God they minister to me say, now you need akam pass for this palace.
Me need a camo.
Yes, nah.
What be the meaning of that nonsense?
They always they go they because you don't they see princess nakedness now. You don't they go enter. You don't they go they chop our princess.
What the warrior?
You don't they enter private part.
You don't they talk now. What is this one? No
problem.
Okay. Oh, I do they pay you. We make you the carry camo give me. Now thunder we no get papa.
Now make you faint here. And just help your energy.
The mad.
Make I tell you. You see, for this life. Okunaga wam. Imranya name vam na affair. They do that thing where they enter princess room for night. They sweat out. You go enter for night, sweat come outside.
See, make I tell you. You see that anya na go vam. That anya where they make vam. If case don't take that anya darwe now.
For here, they follow me. They do. I go beat you.
You push me.
Are they aggressive? Are they very
You the mad?
Very raw.
You the mad?
If you go back, finish. You come. Why they go back? No,
I don't want to fight you. If I don't enter you, see, I don't need for it. I will just tie my hand like this.
Guys, see, hear one song they say, Onye jenekwe
ni Igbo nwoga. Asabi sing am.
Oh, you know.
Asabi sing the song.
Asimo onye jenekwe
ni Igbo nwoga anya. Asabi sing.
Onye jenekwe na gini.
Igbo nwoga hala.
Ine eje.
Nebe.
Inwe obi na-eje.
Chiki, ebi na-eje. Ebi na-eje.
Don't you knock? What is your problem? What is wrong with you?
My father warned you never to smoke under his roof again. You are screwed.
And what do you want to do about it? Beat me?
You will find out soon enough.
Oh, hold on. Wait. How much do you need?
Sorry?
I asked, how much do you need to keep your mouth shut? How much?
30,000 naira cash.
You the craze. You be thief. What do you do with money at this your age?
You find out when father finds out about this.
I'm going to give you 20,000. Is that okay by you?
Deal.
Then out of my room. I don't want to see you in my room again. Out.
It was nice doing this.
Get out, so.
My golden princess, how are you?
I'm not fine, father.
You're not fine? What could be the problem?
I feel choked about the atmosphere. I think it's coming from my sister's room.
Does it mean Amara has started her useless habit again?
I don't know. You have to see things for yourself.
I just hope she has not started her silly habit. If she does, I'm going to deal with her silly. It's okay. Amara. Where's she? Amara.
Father.
Come here. So you went to hide here? You went to hide here so I wouldn't know what happened?
I know they hide.
What were you doing in your room?
Nothing, no.
So you have refused to stop smoking?
I swear I no smoke.
Didn't I tell you to stop smoking in my palace?
I no smoke.
You smoked and you're lying to me. Something wrong with you? Something wrong with you?
Father, I no smoke. Now why you go slap me? I no smoke. Now that is I no smoke. I no smoke. Believe me, I no smoke. I know that smoke get inside smoke for this, but I no smoke.
Will you shut up there? I know what to do. I'm going to bundle your things by tomorrow and I send you to your grandmother's house.
I don't do that.
You are going to remain there until you learn to stop smoking and living useless lifestyle.
But I don't do that one. I no smoke. If I tell you I no smoke, I no smoke. You go for smoke on me. I no smoke.
Now listen to me. Listen real good. The very last time that I'm giving you. When next I perceive any cigarette in this palace again, I know what to do with you. Nonsense.
I tell you, I no smoke. They accuse me, sir. I know that smoke get inside smoke for that house. I go deal with that girl. I go kill her for this palace. I go kill him.
You're welcome, my daughter.
Thank you very much, Your Highness.
So, how is your father?
He's well. Although he'll be in the country in a week's time.
I can't wait to see him. In a long time.
I'm very sure you'll be glad to see us.
Yeah.
Father, you sent for me.
Yes, son. Sit down. I guess you know Stasi.
Hi.
Hi.
I brought both of you together so you could begin to learn yourselves and end up as husband and wife.
Why? Did I say I cannot get a wife for myself?
Oh, son, I never said so. But I believe Stasi is someone that you will love. When you get to know yourselves, you discover that she is the best thing that can happen to you.
Dad, I was on a business meeting online before you summoned me. I would like to go back. Please, we'll talk about this later. I have to go now, please.
What is the matter with him?
No, there's no problem. You get to, you'll get used to it, right? Where are your luggage?
Oh, they are still in the car trunk.
All right, I will get a guard to help you bring them out.
No, do not worry yourself about that. I can actually do it.
I the verse. I swear I the verse.
Like no dey this, you know.
If no be said that girl na my sister, if no be said na my blood, I for kill her for this palace. I for kill her with fried poison. Imagine a whole me. That girl run me straight. Go report me, give my papa. My papa can't tell me slap. Can't slap me for here.
Are you serious? You wait till you slap. You know now you dey cause this nonsense.
Wetin I do?
Now you dey cause all this.
Wetin I do?
That your little sister, that idiot. The other day I see him, if you look at me, you just dey innocent. But na poison she be. Make I tell you, if you give this your sister Kana, make she smoke. Make you just take her. You think go enter her brain. Come. If this your sister, if you give her this Kana, make a draw. Kana, when they mix with Akamu Yoruba, ka! You think go correct her brain one time.
That thing go kill am. That's not small girl she be go kill am.
I know say that she dey give me problem, but she still dey small. That thing go kill am. It go kill am. I don't want make she die.
That's why they talk with that now. You see, make I tell you. No win will they talk about here. They talk about win. See, if you give an kana correct her brain. Now win-win. If kana buy her, now still win-win. We talk about win-win. Give an kana. Your sister also, oh no, Zingbe, come, my brain.
I am not comfortable with this. No, I don't like it. Why would you do that? Why would you press a woman on my neck? Is it supposed to be forced? I should marry her? For real?
Son.
Come on, Dad. This is not good. I don't like it. Son. I don't like it for real.
Calm down. Come on, I'm your father. I want something good for you.
Dad, this is not good. I don't like it. You're not supposed to be forcing me to marry someone I don't want to.
Come on. You see, you can give her a chance. You understand? Just give her a chance and watch her for 1 month or 2, and you still do not have feeling for her. We can relieve her. Yeah.
1 or 2 months.
That's what I said. It's me, your father.
Honestly, I didn't bargain for this.
I know.
I did not. You're maltreating me.
I'm sorry about that.
Fine. It's okay.
That's my son.
The brain go set. I'm telling you. Water. The other thing here.
Wow. Princess, you're smoking. I was expecting class for a princess.
Madam, if it's sure for you, repeat yourself. That thing where you talk now, talk am again. If you sure for talk am again. And listen, and if you open your mouth, then my papa waiting you see for here. Idiot. You go select bed.
What is You just enter na. You just enter na. You don't lost enter again. What is the fight? Go the man.
I beg.
Come on, idiot. Go Susan. Can you imagine? Yeah? Honestly. Mugu. Amenwa. Ata.
Now this boy, now be the hell. Now be the hell where they go on here. Send her to hellfire.
You are the heck.
I'm not common.
You, what the heck are you? Who the heck are you?
Hellfire.
You are the heck.
You guys left what you're supposed to be doing and you're fighting. I will tell my father for
No, don't tell your father. Your father now go tell us what they have.
Baby shark.
Do, baby
shark.
Do,
baby shark.
Don't say and say this girl now go report on papa.
Why
you go talk now say we dey do bad thing, we don't do bad thing.
You are who not do bad thing. Why you carry this thing come for my body?
Which one? Don't say I just carry am push your body like
so
this.
My body.
Now you don't be 5 minutes up. I dey for kitchen to do my work. They clean. You cook on it.
Why you touch here? This is a child.
I don't share. If I don't share,
What is it? What happened?
My prince, bless you, I don't enter small trouble, I beg.
Trouble?
Yes.
What happened?
Princess Nadia, that your small one. If like say don't they go palace now, make go report to you go. Wetin no be true. Now you want to go report like this, so.
Neka, can you tell me what happened?
The thing what happened, we say as I did my own. Every time I did my own for this palace, God they go to find my trouble. Me when they trouble like God every time. If I your day go they find my trouble. I can't do my work as usual. God say just see me, yo me yata. He hear the press. I say God say leave me, no green leave me. I say God say leave me. Now before now that time when me and they struggle as we all day like this they struggle. Now princess now they come inside, come catch shower too.
Gozie.
Yes.
Is he mad? Is Gozie mad?
My prince, now today you know say Gozie no they get himself. Gozie nowhere now. My prince, Gozie brain be like the people where we say if you plug them for charger, they're not going to charge. If you unplug them, then they're going to charge. That means they know they get themselves. You be like your sister break.
Something wrong with Gozie.
You suppose know now something is wrong with Gozie. Gozie is nowhere.
Okay, don't
Gozie
worry,
is psychologically
It's
down.
okay, it's alright. I will handle him.
Handle
okay,
him,
I will handle him.
Help me handle him.
I want to sleep. I will leave this room for you.
Why are you acting as if I am not enough to you?
I'm not in the mood. I'm not interested.
I want to talk to you.
Leave me. It's always.
You're saying my son did not sleep in his bedroom last night? Where could he have spent the night? But this is crazy. I'm not aware of it.
He's a tough nut to crack, Your Highness. And I am not enjoying how unfairly I'm being treated. I know how much my father pleaded for me to accept this offer. I'm a red gem not to be toyed with. Please, you need to sit him down and caution him thoroughly.
Stasi, please don't be offended. I'll speak with him personally, okay?
Okay, Your Highness. Better.
It's alright.
Something wrong with your head.
Please, now waiting now. Why they choke me?
Keep quiet! Now listen to me. Let today be the very first and last time you will try to molest or harass Neka. Have I made myself clear?
Please, which kind thing be this now? Who tell you say they molesting Neka?
Keep quiet!
Which kind of that one?
Keep quiet! You see that your joke? That your silly joke? It's not funny. It's not funny at all. And don't bring it out here. Try and harass her next time. You see what I will do to you. I will deal with you without pity. Just try it next time. You see what I will do to you. Bonko.
Olosho man.
What did you say? What did you say?
What did you say?
They talk around me. I need Kana.
Okara?
Yes. I beg now, do something. Help me now.
They
They help me before.
The idiot who supposed to supply the Kana. I never see his face this morning.
Oh, what can I go do now? Which kind of wahala be this one now? Help me now. You sure they help me before?
We now. We're not going to understand what
do. Hey, my body.
Wait.
You
know what to happen?
What's it?
Don't worry. Tomorrow, in go show face. They could just.
They talk about tomorrow. Which one be tomorrow again now? I need them now.
But wait, I think.
Think fast now.
Make I call another plug.
Okay.
Short plug. What you supply now?
Where your phone?
Let's see inside though. Oh, calm down now. Calm down.
Calm down.
Come. Make everybody go policy. Oh, anyway, now what they say there?
Sorry.
You deliberately scratched my skin?
No, I know.
You want to give me injury? Eh? You want to wound me?
No, I'm sorry, man.
Sorry for your stupid self.
No, yes.
Sorry for your own stupid self. Are you mad? Eh?
I'm a mistake. No, sorry, no vex now.
Can't you be more careful? What is mistake? Can't you be more careful?
No vex, I beg. I can't
Hey, yeah. If you're tired of living this your miserable life, go and look for a cool place and die and stop making this life unbearable for
a cool place. That you can't talk on be that one. I mean, tell you when you come, they sleep with man when nobody marry you.
Are you talking to me? Are you mad? How dare you? Are you stupid? Oh, you can cry. No, I thought you. No, I thought you're queen of this palace. Idiot.
Because I dey work as I say for years, I dey work.
Oh, please shut up and leave.
On the number not if you withstand me, on the number not you get shape past me.
Look
me now, you get shape past me because they carry you come as a shower for Prince Cup and now you don't do anything. Do to me, my love. What happened to you? Why are you crying? It's okay. I don't okay. Leave me. Bia, come. What happened to you? Who beat you? Why did they cry? No, be Auntie Stacy. She slapped me. And she slapped me. She said, make I go one place. Go die. Say she no send me. Wait. I want to understand you. What do you mean, Nabi? Say, Stacy, get mind for this palace. Slap you. Yes. Constantly tell you, say, make you go find somewhere. Go die. Yes, I did my own. She just slapped me. Go ballet. Today your own. She just slapped you how? She slapped me like this. I'm sorry. Don't worry, I go talk to them. No worry, don't worry. Go. Make I meet them. Go. I know they're there with you. I don't hear you. Go. You don't tell me how you go. Don't worry. Go. I understand you now. Go. I go. Madam, now you are the talk to now. Why you can't do like that? They talk to myself. No, be you are the follow talk. Talk to me now. You are the talk to.
Gozie, what did you say your problem is again?
It's about the neck. Why you go slap that girl? No be person pikin. No, I want to know. Is the neck and not somebody's child? How you go get mine? One big person pikin. You no even see sensitive place. You go carry slap him for eye. For what reason now? No, why you go slap him like that? Now make me and you begin quarrel for this palace. As I dey loyal to all of una. You know like him. Which kind of problem?
Hey, shut up! Shut your mouth! Hold. Am I the one you're speaking to in that tone?
Before Uncle. Why I not go speak to you when you do something wey go make me speak to you like that? I go avoid you before. No, they do that thing. It doesn't make sense at all. How can you not come and slap person pikin? You want blind them?
Do you know that many, so many has been slaughtered due to this singular act? Are you mad? How dare you walk into the prince's room to warn me, his own woman, your future queen? Have you lost it?
What you talking? I say so many have been slaughtered. The key person. I'm sorry, man. No verse.
Nonsense.
No say the key person.
You know what? Kneel down.
Ma?
I said she kneel down there.
Okay.
No, sir, the key person. Kneel down!
Information I can't give you. Now just... Besides the one you right?
Hey! I said she kneel down! Madam! Kneel down there!
My prince! My prince! My prince! My prince! Wahala dey. Wahala dey. Things dey happen for that side. That witchcraft, so they call marine spirit. That marine where you bring, sorry, that girl is Stacy. I mean, Auntie Stacy. He dey beat Gose.
Why?
Now because Gose, he slapped me. Now go. Oh, sorry, Jesus God.
You just slapped me.
Yes, my mistake.
What happened? Just stop.
Now where I dey explain to Gose like this? Now he slapped God. He slapped me. Then Gose can't go retaliate. The thing can't retaliate back to them. As in they retaliate for them.
And what happened?
The thing now happened for them when they fight. I'm going to go fight back and forth. The man just
must.
But what can you care about? Oh. Again, I'm marine spirit, I swear to God. This girl get luck. So no be when I see they get temper issues, I for deal with her. It is not of it that runneth or willeth, but of God that showeth mercy.
Come here!
Madam, I'm sorry, it's okay.
Come back here!
I'm sorry, it's okay. I'm sorry.
Okay.
I'm
Are
sorry.
you mad?
It's okay, I'm sorry.
Kneel down! Kneel down! Now! Oh yeah. Your hand! Now! Oh yeah! Another one! Bring that to
Stay! Will you stop that nonsense? What is the meaning of this madness? I'm asking you!
I didn't see these slaves some manner!
Slaves? Why are you calling them slaves? These are paid staffs in this palace.
And so what? Should I bow to them? They are commoners after all.
Commoners? And what do you think you are? Are you not a commoner? Are you of a royal blood?
That is not what we are talking about.
That is
Tony.
exactly
That
what
is
we
not
are
what we are talking about.
Keep
Tony.
quiet!
You not be royal
Just
blood.
keep quiet!
You say keep quiet, you not be royal blood.
Neka, just keep quiet, okay? Yes. Now listen to me. I will not have you handle any staff in this palace. Not under my watch. Gose, stand and go back to your... I said, if I slap you, are you mad?
Make I kneel where? Man don't propose, you will be woman won't dispose. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Person where they never marry finish, just have some marriage.
Oh, I
Don't
know
have
be
sex
royal
again.
blood, and I don't think that you're talking now.
Let's go.
Gose,
Sir?
go this way.
Okay, sir.
I said you should go this way, Neka. Go here.
Tony, you just... Tony!
Gose! Sir?
Your Highness, I have been insulted at the highest level in this palace, and that I can no longer take. I have tried so hard in managing your son's senseless and local upbringing, but not anymore. His dustbin behaviors are not just for me. I am leaving.
So what happened this time around?
He mocked and humiliated me in front of those slaves, giving those imbeciles the right, the chance to mock and spit on me. That is totally unacceptable.
I don't understand. Are there slaves in this palace? I don't think so.
What? Really? Even you? Oh, what was I expecting? Like father, like son.
This every day. If you don't hear Gigi, you go hear Giddy Bam. For this every day. If you don't hear Gigi, you go hear Giddy Bam.
Please, I'm a human being. I thought that I could fire you. Philip. How far?
Fine, sorry for the delay. Things before my head.
Oga. That one no concern me. You no concern me. You understand? Now it just concern you and your papa. How far the level now?
Everything.
Complete. Complete.
As a day when I do this, look at my hair just waka.
Marry go. You sure?
Come on, guys, go. You village cat.
Where fit dictate the highest idiot where they internal. Give am kana. Go say wow bolo. Give am sumo.
Hello, Mama. Good evening, ma. How you doing?
I am not fine. I am far from being fine, Neka.
Mama, what did happen now? Eh? Why you know they fine?
Neka, you left your poor mother in the village to die of hunger. Eh? Please send me money. I don't have money, Biko.
Mama, where's the month end when they say make I send you money? Eh? Mama, they never pay us salary. They never pay us salary.
You want me to wait till month end before you give me money? So that I will die of hunger? Or hitcher? Biko, you may go, Biko.
No, Mama, I don't understand which kind of talk come be this one. Now I make to call you, they tire me, and they tell you, you they talk of money too much. You never pay me salary. I mean, you want make I go thief? If not thief, you want my thief. Now tell me make I for change location now. Nowhere they go start to thief.
God forbid. My daughter will not steal. But Neka, wait. What about the money you have been constantly receiving from the Igwe, Prince, and the high-profile men that have been coming to the palace? What happened to the money? Because what kind of thing is this?
No, I don't understand. Which kind of talk come be that one? Where I see gifts where they give me? Which one say prince they give me? Nobody they give me gift to Mama. In short, I don't see say na insult. You body you the paper you just have to do. And Mama, I know they call you again. I beg. They go. Don't do.
Wait, Neka. Don't even try to cut this call. Don't call this call without sending me money. Queen. Neka, hello? What is wrong with you?
It's a call person, Mama may know as he did. You should be saying prince, and their prince. I don't come down. That's all day. How many people don't go let us see me? How many people don't go let us?
See, no verse. Make this kind hand, they shock you. This thing is something me and you will be doing from time to time. So make they come as shock to you. Eh? Baby, maybe you don't see now. You don't see the kind stand where I stand for you. How I take collect cane for you. Collect cane, he enter my body. I feel him, absorb him, everything enter. That is to show you, say, man, nothing they shell everywhere good.
Well, thank you very much for the sacrifice where you do. But that one I walk when nobody send you, now you go do. And they use God beg you. I bet next time maybe they watch what you they do. May no go do what the person no send you. Go enter Wahala one day, say na because of me they take sack you. I no fit for trouble.
You be like say you don't know me well. You see as I dey here, I can fight elephant for you. I can fight lion. Be it human being, anything. I can stand face to face with anything because of you. You don't know.
I beg you. I'm never ready to cry for anybody burial. Yes. No go fight anybody because of me. Avoid me. Anything will concern me, they come on your hand.
So if I no fight for you, who will?
You know, me don't tell you. I beg. I tell you to me you take care of this way you do these days. In short, I don't need to be here to talk to you. I get many things.
Wait. If no be say here na daylight today, for just say make I check the salt level.
They worry you.
Make I check.
Wait. Which kind talk come be that one?
Nene and Nuna.
Don't try that rubbish with me again, no. No, just try them.
Thing they do you. See the kind stress where man stress for you. See what you want to pay me back with. He get some guests where he be now. He go just turn now. Shake this thing to work for me. Shake and wear so that I will feel good too. Make it be say you don't pay me for going through stress for you. But see what you are doing now to shout for me. Now what you want make I chop.
So if I turn back, shake nyash for you, you go do okay, say you collect cake for me.
I'll start from there. I'll just resume from there. Confirm.
Just to shake nyash.
Shake up my love. Oh, shake it, baby. Roll it, baby. Galvanize it. Sweep it away. Sweep, make it roll. I love what I'm saying there.
You the Chris.
Don't kill me.
No, they respect yourself. I go not punch you. I tell you, say they get temper issues. No, they try me, oh. I dey get temper issues. Go ask my mama for village, oh. And because of this temper issue, I don't even get problem for village. Mama say they pay the debt reach today.
Oh, you come pay me well. If na pay, you won't pay. Come and shake it better. You're nary. Duro me. What I create machine. Chai. Shut down. If I kukuma Satan well, now make I know what they do.
You say make I shake and decide. Why I want shake this last one now to make sure say body dey you okay. Make for no the death again. Give them mad. I test my poor body. I can't shake you to pay you back the last one. What if your problem?
You pay me finish. Making you dey go too much. Come.
For this power every day. If you don't hear ching, you go hear kitty bum. The palace.
My prince, this one when you see the outside by this time, they don the dark, and once they don the dark, mosquito they bite for here well because of this swimming pool we wanna put for here.
I'm fine here.
I don't know the one where they say you are fine. Make you go inside. They go inside. They don't dark.
Nick, I'm good.
And the thing say if they don't the dark, the kind of mosquito where they bite for you no go like them. They don't get respect. Oh, those mosquitoes they don't get home training at all. If they bite you, they'll first come for your ear. Do meow. Once they all press you, they go bite you, suck your blood. I know see your blood fresh. You know be like our own way they don't they used to. And the malaria way they give you no be small one. No. You use like 14 antibiotics to treat
It's better the mosquito bites me here than staying in the same room with that girl that calls herself this.
She be over. So make this dangerous mosquito bite you. Now you prefer. My prince, no verse. It is not concern me, but I feel ask you question. My prince, no verse. Now they quarrel.
Have you ever seen me smiling with that girl? I don't like her. She's not my friend. I just cannot take her gut. So I'll just sleep here. You can go unless you want to join me.
My prince, as you say, you want to stay here with mosquito, they bite you. Because if to say na me, now mosquito don't they used to me. You understand? They don't they used to my blood. So once they suck me, meow, they just say, this one na neck and blood. They don't they used to us. So, but no need. Because the kind of mosquito where they here, you gonna need like 14 antibiotics to treat them. But since you know one go, no problem. I'll be here with you.
You will stay here with me? Mosquito will bite you.
Now my friend they be.
Mosquitoes are your friends?
They be my friend, I mean they tell you.
For real?
Yes. If I tell you say me and mosquito, the way me and mosquito tell they flow.
You flow with mosquitoes? I
flow with them. I want they do me, I was like,
Tell me, what in God's name is this? Did you just leave me in your room just to be here, fooling with this dumb, stupid maid? Have you no class at all? Have you no taste?
At least few moments here has been peaceful than staying with you in that room.
Really?
Oh yes.
Well, you are going back to that room with me now.
I will not try it.
No, you will.
I won't do that.
I will drag you.
If
you drag me.
I said I will drag you.
Please,
don't. Inside. Tony, let's go inside.
Don't touch me. Okay, don't touch me again.
Let's go inside. What's wrong? You want to be here with her?
Something wrong with you.
Are you stupid?
Are you mad?
Have you not class at all? Are you that shameless to be?
My prince permission. My prince body. Then they all like you jack my.
Who are you?
Who you be?
Do I know you?
Get
out from my sight. I don't have it.
My prince permission to slap this girl.
Slap her. I really want to slap her.
No, try hold my prince again.
It seems like you don't know my father. You don't know my father. Who is this?
Try hold this prince again.
Shut up when I'm talking.
Let's try my prince. Let's try
Why don't you hold me again?
Try it. Tell me why don't come on. Try it.
Tony, let's go inside. Let's go inside, Tony.
The palace is spoiling.
I got your
If you don't hear ching, you go hear kitty bum. Falling palace every day. If you don't hear ching, you go hear kitty bum. Now all our promise be this so. No, no. Now all I promise be this. Oh, my man. Oh, my man.
I don't know what I'm going to say. You can't go no ya. Oh, no, DJ, ya. No, Lila, ya.
Which one be malaria? Malaria. Okay, what be malaria? I be your family member. If you do your cleaning, they can't worry you. What you don't worry me for my department?
What do you call off your family problem? What do you call off your family problem?
Bless is something they worry you.
We can.
You don't go call us.
Everybody for this palace don't talk finish.
You don't leave me around this man.
Let me tell you.
Let
me tell both of you. I don't stress myself since morning they cook. I don't cook this rice now. I cook a small portion, very demure portion. Now I cook am give Igwe. Give every family member. Now the hotel that scraping. The scraping side now be this one. Now I won't chop. When I chop and finish, it do okay. Can't get strength. Take do noodle for una. Now because of when I carry all this noodle come outside now.
So you go to eat rice wey carry ingredients wey you go eat. Then you want make noodles for us with spices.
What thing I want make
for you? Chop.
Okay, you even get choice. You want to eat what the king eats.
No be you that eat what the king eats.
Now you cook what the king eats. I get dozens of food. In fact, because of this thing we wanna talk now, you see this food now, I will take 2 hours to cook them.
Sure. What's wrong? Say you take 2.
I will take 2 hours.
Not too wicked.
How wicked so?
You don't serve royal family. We don't be royal family.
No, royalty.
You are working under the. Even if you work here for 50 years, your blood can never be royal.
This is royalty by family.
Money.
Oh yeah, eat that. Eat that food. 15 years. Bring back that food. Bring back that food. Okay. That one gonna 3 square meal. Carry and go na 3 square meal. The end of rice is the pot side. Why people myself? Hoteliste rice. You people rice. Okay. Even be blood, the man not block.
Tony, you are mad. You are very, very stupid.
Watch your tongue. You're speaking to the crown prince of this kingdom.
Crown prince my foot. Tony, you are shameless. The entire royal household is shameless. You and your sisters are a bunch of nonsense.
How dare you speak ill of the royal family? Something wrong with your head? Have you gone mad?
How dare you lay this your filthy, stinking hands on me? Never in your miserable life lay these hands on me again. You seem to have forgotten who my father is. Nonsense.
For this man, every day. If you don't hear Gigi, you go hear Giddy Bam.
I won't pick your call. I won't be worried. Pick your call.
If you don't hear Gigi, you go hear Giddy Bam. The palace is spoiling. Every day.
Princess! Princess!
What is it?
Listen, there's an emergency downstairs.
What's happen? Talk.
Father is about to set a bomb on fire.
A bomb? My own a bomb?
Hungry.
What's in there?
I the grandma grow.
You want blind me?
No, if I say grandma grow, you say
sorry, rubbish now.
Because the parents they talk.
You no go shut up, they go slap you.
Please, I don't want this distraction this morning. Make me something juicy, simple, but elegant to eat. I'm fast about it.
Something what?
I said something juicy, like something soft. You know me, I mean to say. You get it, right?
Okay, if I bring food, I go pour juice for you for cup.
Dossier, make me something sweet and light, but elegant to eat.
Fast, please.
Okay, ma.
Just look. So, retired Ashawo content you work, you will do. Accept. We all dey dey practice this retired Ashawo just enter inside here. They tell you what you go do, what you go make for am. You dey there, they answer am. But let me tell you, maybe you cook food for me. You don't go green cook for me. Don't that fire you. Now like this, me you want to. So now like this, you want to get my attention. I cannot give my attention to a useless man.
I don't get liberty for here.
Shut up your mouth. When you get liberty to talk to me anyhow.
Cause I get liberty for here. This one wey say if you prince wife, they give order. You they give your own disorder. Wetin be this one? Una wan kill me for here. Person wey never get liberty, I never even know where my life dey go. I wan make I come disrespect this one now. Make them sack me.
His name is Collins. He's a well-renowned son of the soil. I have instructed the elders to bring him to the palace so you can both get acquainted.
For waiting?
As your husband, of course.
Father, God forbid. God forbid. How can you just on your own start scouting men for me? Did I tell you I'm single? Did I open my mouth and tell you that I'm single?
Then why did you allow me to go about all this? If you were not single, how come you haven't brought the young man to me? Come on, bring him. Let me see him.
Father, I was just kidding. But I don't like this. I don't like this at all. Just imagine the nonsense that you brought for my brother. Stacy alone discouraged me from having anything to do with your recommendation. I don't like this, please.
Princess Amara, I wouldn't blame you. You haven't seen this young man. The man is tall, handsome. He's rich, a realtor for that matter. When you see him, you will know that this time your father has made the very best choice ever. He's different.
Father, I don't care. I don't care at all. Just allow me to bring my man. Just allow me.
For how long? Amara, just tell me for how long?
I don't know, but just allow me. I don't know.
I gave you all the chance all this while and all you do is to go wasting your life away. Come, let me tell you. Collins, you must meet him. And that's final.
You are welcome, my son.
Thank you very much, Papa.
As you'll be all right. Well done.
Olu.
You see, we have discussed with the Igwe about you and your interest in the princess.
Exactly.
And he has approved it.
Oh. Thank you very much, Papa.
That's nice.
Now I can breathe.
Yes.
So, what you mean to say is that we are free to go?
You are free to go. Ahead.
Of course, my son. The princess is already in your hands.
Thank you very much, Uncle.
But I want to inform you, princess is a hard nut to crack.
That is true. It's correct. So you really have to be very careful with her.
I understand, Father. And it's not a problem.
Okay.
Yes, I've actually handled more complicated people before.
Okay, that's fine. That's fine. Yeah, I trust you. I trust you.
Thank you very much.
Of course,
thank you.
After now, we just have to celebrate.
Of course.
Because we will celebrate a new era.
Of course, we can celebrate already. It's a good news.
Let's get on.
If you don't hear ching-ching, you go hear giddy-bam. For this palace, every day. If you don't hear ching-ching, you go hear giddy-bam. The palace is spoiling, every day. If you don't hear ching-ching, you go hear giddy-bam.
Come. You don't want? No, I ask you, you don't want? You miss road. You miss road will make you waka. Once you can't carry yourself, keep here. What if that? You don't want? Okay. I beg, listen to me as you see me now, eh? Things full my head, as in my head full. I know they feel things straight. So you see all this your madness and all this your lousy lifestyle. I don't get time for them now. So back one side.
Just your head. Now make you walk out cost down for my chair. Even if you leg. Well, I don't blame you. Because wait with that. No, wait with that what will make you the think for this life if not be nice. Yes now, yes now. Now because only Nash be the only thing will make you. They think say something make you miss you road carry Nash for my theater. Nash. Now, who get the Nash? What do you think? Where the Nash?
And the thing about you is everybody here knows say you no get sense. Everybody will stay for this palace. Everybody in this palace knows say your brain they touch. You know if you get sense again. Make you hook you.
Hook you book there. No, we have to carry know you. No, what if that? They say that what if they take no person? Now they take the address with. Now Nash. So who get Nash? What you think? Which Nash?
Anyway, the thing now we did here be saying I'm not gonna think about as I see that here.
Get out from here, you know.
I don't think I said Nash. I don't think I.
Because I don't let you if you make you. You think like Nash? But yes.
Anyway, make I tell you, no be nyash passe. No be nyash passe. The thing be say, you know, say this girl done the wonder. Waiting they happen. This girl have done everything. I don't do everything we go make this girl fall in love with me. Be my wife. It's not like I'm coming for the nyash passe.
Cherry, go here. Which neka? Which neka they talk about?
Neka they two here. Yeah, the only neka where they might.
Same neka. We outside here yesterday with Prince. They laugh, they gist, they laugh, they kiss, they hug. Well, like pigeon. For nights now. I don't tell you. For last night, the two of them there outside.
Nah lie.
Or some nah lie. See, the idiot we call himself the prince. Leave the woman for room. Come outside here, they play with the neck. They spend time.
See, convince me.
What you come
convince me, I don't feel believe it.
Okay, make I naked your shit for ground here.
Where they there, waiting into them, how they take sit down.
No, I don't tell you, they tell you now. They spend time together. Not only that, they spend quality time together. If you see what they do.
I like.
In fact, you know what? Tom, make I show you how it happen. Just stop. They like this.
Jesus Christ.
I'm telling you. And the thing we pray they do naked.
Prince hit my girl for where? Nah lie. No, I not go believe that. Prince hit my girl for where? My brother. Problem don't start for this palace.
So Prince get mind upon all the things why I don't tell this prince. Say stay away from my girl. I even go call police for him. Get mind call police for him. He still they do this thing. Get mind go hit my. Anyway,
I'm telling you.
You go hear my own side of the story.
No, they whine. They play now. They whine. Go. Come make I tell you. You see when they laugh, they wait. You don't like it. Come get out. Eko, the okay go see Eko. When you laugh, look at it. Do that. I wanted to help. That's it. Now like walking here. No, they whine. You put I thought I said Nash. You hating boy. Nash.
Are you serious? Why would I lie to you? I am serious. Neka, my daughter, is a big staff in the palace. I am telling you the truth. See, she alone has the access to Igwe's chamber. In fact, she's a big nurse. She's a special nurse in that palace. That means she rules with the Igwe at ease. I even heard that she has the link
to the other dignitaries who happen to be Igwe's best friends. And she treats them as well. My dear, she's the pride of my home. I love her so much. I love Rumuneka. Hey!
Hey! Oh, yes. My friend, you have said it all. I didn't know this. I just thought she was just a maiden in the palace there.
Fear, God forbid. Huh? Why will you say of something rude to my daughter like that? Huh?
I'm sorry.
No, nah.
I'm sorry.
You are belittling my daughter.
That. I'm sorry. It's not like that. I just thought she was just a common maiden. A common thing most maiden do in the palace.
Neka, my daughter is a different woman. She's a big lady. I am telling you the truth. You need to come to the palace and see her. They respect her. She go close to Igwe. She go close to the prince. She has money. They are paying her a lot.
Congratulations to her. I'm very happy.
Ibiano, thank God. We thank God.
Happy.
Glory be to God.
For what reason? Eh? For what, man? No, I want to understand. Makaginizi. Guinea Amazia.
For this palace, every day. If you don't hear Chinchin, you go hear Kikibam Kiri.
Here, come here. It's not here. Neka, listen to me. I want to ask you this question. You go answer me this question now. Waiting I want here now. The truth and nothing but the truth.
What's happen?
Because if you look me now, the kind of things what they go through now, the kind of anger where they go through my head now, if I bring her out, you not go like me. So I will ask you this thing once now. And I want you to tell me the truth now, or I go pour pain on you now. Now, answer me this question. What thing they go on between you and Prince Tony? You won't break my neck. What happened?
Let's say you hit your head for her. I'm not fear. I make you hold me. They won't press my hand. Bless you the crew.
So wait first. As they ask you question, you won't break my neck. Waiting they worry you. Stay here. I want to ask you this question again now. And I no go like react the way I go regret. Now, I will ask you again now. Neka! What is going on between you and the prince?
Is it your business? Are you a madman? It's a chirigo fool. See, I don't have time for all this rubbish. What I want to tell you now be say, go give me food. Alele, hunger they beat me. Go give me food, man. Shop.
Wait first. Wait. Stay here first. So what you they try tell me now be say, as I dey here and I don't get any value for you for this palace again.
You are valueless.
If not for food.
You are valueless.
For me to dey feed you now.
Yes.
But now let me tell you today. I want to swear by the grave of my ancestors. If I know you starvation, kill you. If I know slim you down like this, I go make sure I treat you so that you go look like rat where they put neck put chain for neck.
That means you and your ancestors now go shrink. Yes, now. Even at this say if you stab me, people go see me say I don't turn to I na lie you. This kind of body what I get. If you like stab me for 2 weeks, I no go less.
Not be when me take my time to
now
stab
me they tell you say my body na stubborn fat I get.
Okay.
If I not chop 2 weeks, e no dey show. I go still be as I be.
Okay, I go make sure say you be like balloon where they put small needle. Me, I go put you small needle. They follow you talk, they do anyhow. Wetin dey worry you? Not be how they follow talk. They go now talk.
No, me na you dey hold like that.
Wetin you wan break?
Na me na you dey hold like that.
2 egg, you wan break one.
Continue to dey hold am.
Be careful.
Continue to dey hold am.
No, they go there.
Next time, come touch me
Go
again.
there.
Touch me again now. No dey fear.
For this palace, every day.
You wan break one? You wan break one egg? No problem. Animal, come take your food.
I know they happy. I just dey vex. I know they happy at all.
What you gonna make my awesome Nemo?
Now my papa, imagine that man one first man for my head. I don't understand.
Gene, I don't understand. As in, force you to marry man. For what is happening? See what happened. See what? You know tell him.
Tell him waiting.
See now me and you. See that me won't marry you. You know tell him. We make a say one. See?
I don't understand. Make I carry my mouth go tell my person that you won't marry me. Why make I ask you? Why you not tell him yourself? Are you not man enough?
See, na princess you get there.
Leave me.
Just sit down, sit down. I don't want to make you sit down. Make you.
I just dey vex. I no dey happy. I no dey happy at all.
See, make I tell you, no be say I dey fear or anything. We make me never go tell your papa say, na me and you say we the wrong thing. Say na me go finally marry you. You understand? Me no be say na fear. You understand? I just dey wait for the right time. I dey wait for the perfect time. Why I go bring my people enter this palace? You see this palace? We go change the color of this kingdom. Rather they go, oh God. Wait, just wait. May that time reach. Come tear him out. They go no say, I be man. Enough double.
You just dey tear him out anyhow. Now you Sabio, just pray say that Bobo no get doings past you. Because if he get doings past you, Otilo, you're on your own.
Chiro, I don't understand. That God, what is that one coming now? What if this one now will be saying when you talk on I say if the man get the Bobo get doing past me? I don't understand. When make I ask you, so if that boy get doings past me, what will happen?
I don't know. Are you Sabi? I don't know.
No for my hand though. Pick up at the beg you. You know, say me and you don't they run till they wait for this. No, be why you don't talk about that. Do it talk like they can.
They give you. Make I go. No, make I come out.
Wait, no, I go check.
I go bring him.
I go check whether he still remain. Don't say still remain, but this part.
Make I come out.
No, come out, no come out.
Give him Ghana, go say wow. Give him Sumo.
I go come out.
Go say wow. Na the largest city. You go here, giddy bam. The palace is burning.
Why are you seated here alone? What happened? Are you okay?
My prince, I dey pass through a lot. I never chop since morning. They let they pay me.
You've not eaten? Why? Because they did not give you your own portion of food.
No, give me.
Why?
He no give me. I dey tell I just dey shout for me. When I know say the matter don't serious now, when he lock kitchen, Kareki.
Is something wrong with him?
I don't know. It's something they always dey wrong with him. But this time I no come know that I ain't come wrong something.
Okay. Don't worry. I will deal with him later.
You even need to deal with him.
Yes,
I don't get power to talk. The more they talk, the more they lose strength.
Sorry. Okay, you know what will happen? Let's go to the kitchen. I'll open it for you so you can take food.
I don't
Okay?
get power, sir.
You don't have power?
Yes, I'm moveless. I'm motionless.
Alright, come. Let me help you. Okay? Just come. What happened?